Hey guys, this is just a short clip just on some really simple workouts that you can do if you're on the road and you're traveling, or just for those that are having trouble, kind of getting started. Minimal time investment, really simple, just using the progression pack we just have in a door anchor. So this guy just got this little sponge on the end, and then just a strap there. Put that over the door, feed that down into the hinge. Then you close the door, nice and easy. And then we're just doing a basic pull-push legs program, but 2 days worth. So your first day, just got the band in through that, you've got a light band, and even if you just travel with those two things, really simple. And if you're struggling with time, don't worry about all the warm-ups, don't worry about the massage ball, don't worry about the foam roller, just get on this and get started. So here's an easy pull. So you just got an overhead pull, so that's like your pull up. And then here, that's like your hang stretch, and there's the pull there. So working those muscles. So you might do, say, 30 seconds worth of that, or you just do 5 clean reps with a bit of a pause in it. As you pull, then a nice push to go with that, just an easy knee push up, 30 seconds worth. So you get that nice chest stretch, so go right to the floor. Right up, you could even do it on a countertop or a table, so it's not too heavy. And then a squat. Nice stretch. If you find that too heavy, just pop your hands on your knees and get that stretch at the bottom of every rep. So you're stretching your groin out just like a squat stretch, and then you're activating those muscles. 5 of those, then go back. Just get 3 rounds of that out. It's really going to be like less than 5 minutes work, and then just do some basic core with it. Bridge for the front, 30 seconds, like that, hold that, and then bridge on the back, 30 seconds. So basic. Then you've done that, another 3 minutes, and under 10 minutes, you've done a good program. Then if you wanted a day 2 version, you might want to do like a single arm pull with that. So you just feed that through, and then just do 1 arm. Pull that arm back, nice and simple. 5 reps a side, get a good stretch there, activate. If you want it heavier, double up the band or go with a thicker band. And then instead of a push-up, you can just do on the ground. So it's like a dip. So from there, just pressing up. So you're activating those triceps, improving that posture, drive it up. If you find that's too tight for you, just have the hands a bit wider and push up. So pressing back like that. You've got the edge of a chair, you can do a dip on a chair, but even just that action alone is great. From there you go into a lunge. So you might just do a step back lunge for 30 seconds, alternating. Or if you're strong enough and it feels good, you can do an alternating step back. So 3 rounds of that, under 5 minutes, got that done. Then for your core, just a side bridge. 30 seconds a side. Nice and easy. Go to the other side, keep that head nice and tall, nice aligned spine. 3 minutes worth, under 10 minutes, got those 2 programs. Just get those done. If that's your starting point for progression, that's awesome, guys. You're going to feel better for doing that. Key thing we find is that people kind of struggle to get started or think that the program's too fancy and there's all this really hard stuff that you have to do. It's just meeting you where you're at and to get started, so you take that next step for your own development. That's what the whole program's about. The sooner you get started, the sooner you can start developing yourself and feeling better and enjoying your life more. See you next time.